The Unihertz Titan 2 is reviving physical keyboards with its innovative 5G QWERTY smartphone. This Kickstarter success story has already raised over $1.3 million, proving there's still demand for tactile typing in our touchscreen world. Building on their 2019 original, Unihertz delivers major upgrades while keeping what users loved. The standout feature is the redesigned QWERTY keyboard with backlit keys and gesture support. You can swipe across keys for navigation or assign custom shortcuts. The 4.5-inch square display offers sharp 1440x1440 resolution, complemented by a secondary screen on back for notifications. Performance gets a significant boost with Android 15 and a powerful chipset exact model unspecified paired with 12GB RAM. Storage options reach 512GB, while the 5050 mAh battery charges at 33 W speeds. Dual SIM slots ensure global connectivity. Camera specs include a 50MP main sensor and 8MP telephoto lens on back, plus a 32MP selfie cam. Wireless features cover Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and dual-band GPS. The phone is currently undergoing certification for major carriers like AT&T. Kickstarter backers secured discounts through several tiers. Super Early Bird, $229, 43% off. Early Bird, $249, 38% off. Standard, $269, 33% off. Bundles offered even greater value, with the couple package $519 for 2 units proving particularly popular. All versions ship October 2025 and include a free protective case. At 5.8mm thick, the Titan 2 is bulkier than modern slabs, but delivers unique productivity advantages. The keyboard enables faster, more accurate typing while reducing screen obstruction. Programmable side buttons provide instant app access. Connectivity includes global 5G support, though exact band compatibility varies by region. The phone is undergoing Google certification and meets major regulatory standards FCC, CE, etc. Unihertz has addressed previous Titan complaints with improved build quality and materials. The campaign offers worldwide shipping, with rates starting at $10 for major markets like US, UK, Germany, and Japan. Other regions pay slightly higher fees up to $30. Early backers praise the Titan 2's balance of nostalgia and modern features. The keyboard reportedly feels substantial with good travel distance, while the square display works well for reading documents and emails. For professionals who do lots of typing or messaging, the Titan 2 offers compelling advantages over touchscreen-only devices. The physical keyboard enables faster input with fewer errors, especially for long-form content. Unihertz has built a reputation for niche devices, following previous successes with compact and rugged phones. Their Kickstarter experience shows in the well-organized campaign and clear communication with backers. The Titan 2 isn't for everyone, but fills a specific need for those missing physical keyboards. Its successful funding demonstrates there's still a market for alternative smartphone designs in 2025. For writers, business users, or anyone who prefers tactile typing, this could be the productivity boost they've been missing. Pricing positions. It is a premium niche device rather than mass-market competitor. After the campaign, retail price will likely settle around $399 based on previous Unihertz models. The phone includes all standard smartphone features like fingerprint unlocking, facial recognition, and wireless payments. Special additions include an IR blaster and FM radio receiver. Battery life should last a full day thanks to the efficient chipset and large battery. The secondary display helps conserve power by showing basic info without waking the main screen. Unihertz promises regular Android updates for at least 2 years. The Titan 2 ships with minimal bloatware for a clean user experience. For those tired of typing on glass or wanting a more productive mobile experience, the Titan 2 offers a compelling alternative. Its Kickstarter success proves there's still room for innovation in smartphone design beyond just bigger, slimmer touchscreens.